Hey, if you're wondering what charger does the iPhone 17 Pro Max use, well, basically you can use any USB-C power delivery charger, but if you want to reach the fast charging, like in my case, take a look, I have the cable with the screen that will show me current charging speed. Take a look. We will reach 40 watts, so this is the fastest charging on the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Okay, 39, now we got 40. And to reach this speed, you will have to use at least 40 watts charger. You can use much more powerful chargers. For example, I've got two chargers. This one is next to my bed, and this is the 25 watts for not fast charging. And the second one is 125 watts from Motorola. I'm currently connected to this one. And even though it's only charging with 37 watts, because your smartphone, the iPhone 17 Pro Max, will automatically limit the charging speed up to 40 watts. Even when you use much more powerful charger, it cannot go above the default value. And that's pretty much it. You can just use any USB-C charger, even from the Android smartphones. That's pretty much it. I hope you find it useful.